Okay, this is after scooping for about a half hour to 45 minutes with the tractor. He's got a path, at least out of our drive. There's Les. There's his truck. And I'm stepping all over trying to walk through drifts, sorry. That's still snowing. We're drifting into the house. Dogs couldn't make it out, so we had to make a path for him to go potty. Colin, Katie, we got you beat. Manolis, I think this beats your little ice that you had. This is amazing. Over to the truck, over to Les, over to my little car, which is buried in a drift.